Srečen, da kar fejst, ker je debo. In ne samo, da je ta zrastel, drugače gleda, kako se je odprl, pa zrastel. Razlike v 4 dneh, to je pa sneg. What a nice Joey. Jurček, he is still living and he's still standing. He got little brother. That means that he's already 10 days old. It was heavy rainfall today. The 11th day of filming. Amazing. Porcini grows. 12th day of filming for his. Amazing. 13. dan snemanja, 7:30 a.m. and he's slowly dying. 2 degrees. Rast jurčka, 14. dan snemanja. He's getting really old. True grandpa. Rast jurčka, 15. dan. Each day I think it's his last. But it's funny how after all 15 days he's still here. He's still standing. As if he's immortal. I try not to go too close because I know that underneath this soil is very important stuff for him to survive. But just look at this beautiful thing. 15 days old. I would have never imagined it the first day I saw it. And look. This is 5 days old. 5 days, 15 days. Amazing. 16. snemalni dan, 16 filming day. All these dead branches are protecting the joeys. Otherwise the deer would eat them, as the cow would eat. So yeah, my footage could be much better without mowing, without these vibrations. But then the deer could come and eat it. So it's better to have slightly worse footage and the joey is safe than to have better footage and joey will be eaten because the dead branches are away. And I'm also laying down because I shouldn't go too close, as I mentioned before. Wow. 17 filming day of the same portion. Unbelievable. Amazing, another day and he's still here. Unbelievable. Rast jurčka, snemalni dan 19. Night and filming day. And this one, check previous videos. I think it's 9th day. I don't know. Rast jurčka filming day 20. I'm a bit late already. It's evening. How long will this thing last? That's just amazing. It looks almost the same as yesterday. Okay, so in just one day she got significantly older. It was -3, and that's quite a burden, as you can see. Another morning, another -7:30 a.m. It's interesting that with other light, for example, lighter as it is, more old he looks, but today when it's still morning, it's not so light, so he looks much younger as yesterday afternoon when it was more light. So yeah, he might live 30 days. Rast jurčka, day 23 of filming, I think. I have to check it. Danes je pa tukaj novih uši, ki jih nisem 50 pobral, nisem nobene spisal. He's still looking okay. Okay. Okay, it's okay. '24th day of filming. Unbelievable. Truly amazing. Unbelievable. 24 dan snemanja, to pomeni, da je star že 26 dni. And it's written that Bluetooth lives up to 20 days. Yes, this one maybe, but that one for sure not. Jurček growth 25 day of filming. Another record. Today it is cloudy with partially rain falling down. He's like a fossil already. Living relict. Jurček, dan snemanja 25. This one I think it's around 15 days here. Check the YouTube. He will know. That's why we are filming, that we don't forget. Oh my god. '26th filming day. It's time to say goodbye. Perdoname. Ogirevček. Now he's really in his last hours. It was a pleasure. That's all I can really say. I will bring some gemstone here because I'm grateful that I was part of his life forever. There comes another day, another morning. It was quite rainy yesterday, and yeah, it is as it is. Life is life, you can't really do much. You can't stop the time. You can stop the wave, but you can't stop the ocean. So it is. Oh, this one has fallen. Unbelievable. 10 days younger and fallen before his brother. 29 dan snemanja. 29 filming day. Видно. Да видно. Не видно.